Hello and welcome to Zimbabwean Media. A Zimbabwean entrepreneur and socialite Lorraine Guyo has encouraged people to show up for themselves and stop neglecting personal goals and mental health while looking out for others. Speaking in a recent social media post, Guyo said that many people spend so much time supporting friends, family and colleagues that they forget the things that make them happy. You have to show up for yourself first and nobody is going to do it for you, she said. Guyo is a Harare-based entrepreneur, digital creator and socialite. She built her name through viral skits and has expanded into fashion, brand influencing and business. She regularly shares content on self-worth, financial independence and personal growth, especially aimed at young women.
As much as you want to show up for people, please do not forget to show up for yourself in the process. Because I've seen a lot of people, we tend to forget our own goals. We tend to forget our own mental health. We tend to forget things that are more important, that makes us happy. Because we want to make sure that everyone around us is happy. So today I wanted to remind you, because don't be selfish to yourself. Don't be selfish to yourself. Make sure that you prioritize yourself. Make sure that you show up for yourself the same way that you show up for other people.
For more stories, please do like and subscribe.